Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will be building a responsive YouTube channel layout clone inside HTML and CSS, and for this we will be using CSS grid and Flexbox. In the last tutorial we built out Instagram profile page. Now we will be building a YouTube channel layout. So this is quite familiar, guys. If you have a YouTube channel, you will have this interface here. If you go to any YouTube channel, their channel page, you will see this interface which is appearing here, YouTube logo. This is a search field, upload option to upload a video, notification bell icon. This is a profile page, and you can also see the channel art here. You can see that this is a channel logo, this is a channel name, this is a verified icon, this is the number of subscribers, home section, video section, playlist, community, channels, about, and these are the list of videos which are there on the channel. You can see that this is a related channels which are there on the sidebar, and it is you can see that this is a complete layout. It is responsive layout. If I resol- you can see right here, it's a completely responsive layout, guys. You can see on the mobile phone it is also looking good. So we will be building this layout from scratch, guys, from HTML and CSS, and we will be styling it using CSS3, and we will be using the properties such as Flexbox and CSS grid. So let's start building this application, and for this, guys, I have given all the source code in the description of the video, which is build a YouTube channel layout. So you can go to the description of this live stream to download all the source code. A single index.html file is there for this tutorial. So it's a designing video. So just let me start building this. So now we will create a new folder which is YouTube, and inside this you will say index.html. So I will now create this title. Just give it a title that YouTube channel layout UI clone in HTML and CSS. So we will make it side by side, guys, just to see if you can see on your screen. So I will open this with the open with live server. So I will make it side by side so that you can see also what is happening right here at the screen. So first of all, I will write the HTML, and then we will go styling this HTML. So it will be a long video over an hour. So just hit the like button if you are new to the channel. So first of all, we will have a header class which is this class mesthead. Inside this, guys, we will have menu button classes, and here we will be having font awesome, guys. If we will also be using font awesome, so in the video description you will find out the CDN for font awesome. So it provides you with a lot of icons which are there. So basically just include the CDN. So right here at the very top you need to include the CDN. Just after the title you need to include these CDNs here. So just include the CDN of font awesome. And now if you see here, if I do it, just float this window, and now we need to write this font icon. So basically, guys, the class which we will be giving it to, the class will be FA bars, and you can see that this is the menu icon which is shown here. You can see that, and we will also be giving an attribute to it of area hidden to true. So just give it a attribute of area hidden to true. So just refresh it now. You can now see the icon appearing here. So after this, guys, we will have a simple logo of YouTube. So basically this logo is also available. If you refresh it, we will have a href. This will not go to anything. Inside href we will have h1, and inside h1 we will display this class which is fa YouTube logo icon. So now you will also see a YouTube icon appearing here, guys. You can see that FA YouTube logo icon. This can also be Facebook. If you change it to Facebook, it can be Facebook. It can either be, let's suppose, Twitter. All these logos, social media websites are supported, guys. You can see that. So it can be anything. You can now see. So basically here we are choosing YouTube here for the YouTube clone application. And after that, guys, we will have another class which is site search. So here basically here you can have a simple input field with the help of which you can search videos. So this will be input type of search, and basically the placeholder will be search like this. And here we will be attaching the classes to it of search. If you see here, search input. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So area label, we will be giving it as search. So after this, guys, what we need to do is that uh, we will have a button here. Basically the button have the class of search button, and here we will be giving a area label to it of search like this. And inside this button, guys, basically we will have a logo of, sorry, font awesome icon. Again we will be giving a I tag, so we will be giving a class to it. So this time this will be search icon. So search. So if you now see, there will be a search icon available here. So this is the advantage of using font awesome, guys. It provides you with all the icons which are necessary for the application. So then we will have area hidden once again. This will be true. That's it. So this is your input field which is ready, guys. Now we will move to the next portion, which is the user menu. So user menu. So inside user menu, guys, we will have a button here. Basically this will be, first of all, in order to upload a video, so area label which will be upload. So inside this button, guys, we will have a font awesome icon, FA upload. So this will be a upload icon, you can see that. And also area hidden to true. And after that we will have another button here similar to this, which will be, again we'll be having the class of btn area label. This time this will be for YouTube apps. So basically the all the buttons that you see on the official website of YouTube, we are having the icons here. So again we will use the font awesome icon. So this time we will be attaching the class of FA upload. Sorry, this time th. So this is the YouTube app icons that you see right here, guys. And area hidden, once again this will be to true. And then we got our notification icon, guys. This is very much easy. Area hidden to true. So then again we will have FA bell icon. Sorry, this will be the I tag. FA bell. So this is a notification bell icon that you see. Area hidden to true. So button, once again, the second fourth button inside this, guys, which will be for the account. This will be label, sorry. This will be for the notifications. And for the account, guys, we have this again, this font awesome class, which is FA user circle. So now you will see this is a user circle. This is all the four icons that you see: upload icon, YouTube apps icon, YouTube notification, and YouTube account. So this is all done, and area hidden to true. So after this, guys, this section ends here inside the header section. This is the end of header section. So we can simply write a comment, end of header section. So basically if you want to style it side by side, you can also do it. We can make a simple style sheet in order to style this document. So basically we can include this file style sheet href style.css. Let me make it side by side so that you better understand. So style.css. So we will now target this class guys which we have given, which is header section. So that's a lot of CSS to write inside this live stream guys. So keep watching it. So hit the like button. So root element, we need to change the font size to 10 pixel. This is applied to all the elements. So gray text will be equal to this one 828282. This is the class. Black text will be equal to this one, which is equal to 111. So these are the different variables that we are giving here to all the elements. So now the text will be in black color, you will see that. And then basically guys, we are including some pseudo classes, which is this one, before, comma, after. Box sizing, we need to change it to border box. That's it. So after this guys, we need to, I think, we now need to target this masthead section that we have given here. You can see this is the class we have given to it. So masthead. So we need to target this class. So this is for the CSS for header section. So here we will say masthead. So display I will change to flex guys. Flex basis I will change to 5.6 rem. So basically I will align these items in the center position. You will now see it is aligning them perfectly in the center position. Position I will change the position to uh, WebKit sticky, uh, and position again I will sticky. So they will be sticked at a particular location. Top is I will change to 0. Background color I will change to black color, sorry, white color. This is for the padding is 0, 2.2 rem, and I will also apply a box shadow which is 0, 0.2 rem, 0.2 rem. RGBA is 17, 17, 17 and 0.2. So now you see a box shadow is applied here guys. You can see that perfectly. This is the menu icon, this is the YouTube logo, this is the input field, this is search icon, upload, YouTube apps, notification, YouTube user account. So all these options are stacking up perfectly here. So also we need a z index property guys, which is for z index, which is equal to 1. So now you can see that. So now we will be styling the logo guys, logo class, YouTube logo, flex I will change to 0, 0, 15 rem. So now it will have this perfect spacing. We will also give margin from the left position to 2.5 rem. So you can now see. And now we will be targeting our site search. We need to flex grow to 1. As you can see, we are using Flexbox and CSS grid 2.5 rem. So 9 people are watching the stream guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. We are building a YouTube channel layout, responsive layout using CSS grid and Flexbox. Now we will be targeting our heading, which is inside the logo class. You can see H1. This is a logo that we will style now. Basically now we need to change the font family of this logo to Oswald, and if it is not there we will change to Arial or sans serif. So now you can see that, and we also need to change the font size to 2.2 rem. Font weight we also need to change to 600. Letter spacing we need to change to minus 0.12 rem, and we need to change the color to this color, which is 282828. This is a green color. And white space we need to change no wrap, and cursor we need to change to pointer. So whenever we cursor we do it, our cursor changes to pointer. So some, you can see it is similar to this. If you see here, we need to give it YouTube also. You can now see it is having this underline, guys. We don't need this underline. We will remove this. So just wait. We are just styling this. So go to style.css. After this, we will target the icon. So we will now have logo icon class. First of all, we will change this color to red color F00. This is for YouTube. You can see the color has changed to red. Padding, we will change padding from the right position. We will give it 0.5 rem. So basically you can see that from the right position. And basically now we will be targeting the site search. We will change the display property to flex, and height we will change to 3.2 rem. Now you can see that. And after this we will target the search input class, which is search input. And here we will change the display property to flex, and then we will change the height to 3.2 rem, like this. Now you can see that. Again we will be targeting the search input as well as the search button class. And for this, guys, we need to have a border of 0.1 rem solid, and the color is CCC. This is the grayish color that you see here inside this. And after this, guys, we will once again target the search input class to style it even more. Search input class. So right here, guys, here what we need to do, flex basis is equal to 60 rem. We need to change the font size to 1.5 rem. Font weight, we need to change it to 500. And we need to give some border to the top left radius 0.3 rem. So this will give some border to the top left corner, and we also need to give border from the right corner to none. We need to remove it. We need to give padding from the left position to 1 rem, and we need to change the text color to this color, which is black text, like this. So now you can see that the color has been changed to this color. So I need to remove this underline, guys. So what we can do is that if I have text decoration to none, if I do this, nothing happens. So I think what we need to do is that inside anchor tag, we can write a style called as text decoration to none. So basically this will remove this underline. So I don't need this underline. So this removes this underline here, guys. So I need to wrap this. Basically this is there inside logo class. So dot logo a, that's it. So now, guys, after this we need to also uh, style it search input ms input placeholder, and here we need to change the color to gray text. So 12 people are watching the stream, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. And also we need to change it search input placeholder. We need to change the color to gray text. So what will happen now, guys, you can see the placeholder text will be changed to gray. This search text will be changed to gray. So after this, again, we will be targeting the search button now. This is the button, as you can see here. Let me show you. This is a button that we will target here, the search button. So inside this, what we need to do is that search button, we need to change the flex position to 006.5 rem. Again, we need to give border top left radius to 0.3 rem and border bottom right radius to 0.3 rem. So if you see here, it has got some padding from the right position. So after this, guys, we will change the background color of this button to this color, which is F8, F8, F8. We will change the text color to black color, and we will change the cursor to pointer. So basically what will happen, you can now see the color has been successfully changed to black color. So now it is completed. So when we hover onto this, guys, I need to change this color. So we will simply say search button. We will assign a pseudo class which is background color, which is F0, F0, F0. So now it is having a white color. You can see that. So now we will be styling the user menu, guys, which is these four buttons that you see right here. So basically what will now we will do is that, first of all, user menu, we will target this class. So flex spaces, we will change the flex spaces to 16 rem. Sorry, I think dot, this is dot. So if you see here, now it is aligned here perfectly here, vertically fashion. And here we will change the display property to flex. Font size will be equal to 1.6 rem. Color will be this color, which is gray text. If you see here, now it is perfectly aligned here. One after the other, the color has been changed to gray text. And then, guys, what we need to do is that we need to target each of the button inside the menu, user menu button. So we just need to change the flex property 004 rem. So what will happen? You will now see it will be having in this direction. So I think, guys, this was flex spaces 16 rem. I think this is not. If you see, now it is perfectly aligned here, perfectly aligned. Just change it to 16, not 0.16. And now we will be having the channel banner class, guys. So up till now we have created, till now you can see that it is end of header section. So we need to write more HTML now. This header section is almost complete. We need to move to the next section, which is the channel banner. So we need to write the starting channel banner section. So inside this section, guys, we will be targeting the channel banner, the image that you see for the particular channel. You will have a section which will have a class of channel banner. Inside this, we will have a div of channel social links that you see, the website link, the Facebook, all that stuff. Li class will be btn Google Plus. btn, and inside we will be also be attaching Google Plus class, and here we will be giving a logo guys, which will be FA B FA Google Plus. So Google Plus is now retired, but still we will be using this. So there is an icon here, Google Plus. You can see that area hidden to true. So after this, guys, similarly we will have the Twitter and the Facebook. So just after this, you need to paste it two more times. Twitter and Facebook. You can now see the icons are looking really small, but we will fix it. So basically, this is the end of the channel banner. Then there is will be a another section here which will be for channel info. So basically, what is the channel info section? So inside this section, guys, basically we will have a section which will have a class of channel info, and we will have a container class. So inside this we will have the channel icon. So channel icon, you can give any icon of your choice in the image source attribute. You can give your own channel icon as well. So basically I will give this image. So simply Control C and paste it here. You can now see basically this is the icon here, and after this we will have for the channel title and h1, and basically this will be the channel icon. Let me change it to my channel coding section. So here we will be having I tag as well. So just a class FA check circle. So basically this will for the verified channel. You can now see my channel is now verified. So this is the verified icon that you get from Font also. So after this you will get your channel subscriber count, how many subscribers are there. You can put as many subscribers. Let me put this 2 million subscribers, 126438 subscribers. So you can see that after this there will be a button to subscribe to the channel. So we have the channel subscribe section. So here we will have the subscribe button, and inside this we will simply say, sorry, button subscribe, and here we will say subscribed 2.1 million. That's it. And then guys, we will have a second button which will be for the notification, and this will be we will be having this class which is notification button. Area label is equal to enable notification. So whenever you subscribe to a channel, there will be a notification icon as well, which is right here at the. So we will attach this icon. Uh, Basically, this will be a bell icon that you see. FA bell. So now you can see there is a bell icon also. And after this completes the channel info, guys. Channel info section. Now we need to style it. So now we can move to the top here in the style.css, and right here we can now write styles for uh, channel info section. So right here, guys, what we need to do is that we need to move at the very top. We need to write styles for channel info. Sorry, channel info. Right here, whenever it ends here. mm, yeah, I will now target channel banner class. So flex spaces, I will change it to 16 view height. So we will change the display property to flex. We will justify content to flex end. So right here you can see that it is moving it in the center. We will align the items in the also in the flex end. We will put a background URL. So for the channel banner, we will give it a URL. So basically you can use any image of your choice for channel cover. I will use this. So basically I'm using this image from Unsplash. So basically you can see that, guys, it is having this channel banner image. It is taking the full space here of the channel here, channel banner here. The subscribe button is there right here, subscribe, notification bell icon. This is a user, all the website URLs, Facebook, Twitter, website. So it is aligned perfectly. So that's what we wanted. Now we will be styling the more section here. 16 people have joined in. Please hit the like button, guys. Subscribe the channel as well. So now we will be having the background size, which will be equal to cover. And we will be attaching padding to 1.6 rem. So you can see that. So now it has got some padding here. You can see here how it is aligning perfectly. You can see that. So now, guys, we will be styling these social links that is appearing here. So we will say dot channel social links. So first of all, we will add some padding to it, 1 rem. And here we will be having the background color to RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.4. So now you can see that, guys, the icons have also got a box shadow effect here. You can see that. After this, we also need to style the list item here, channel social links list item. And here we need to change the display property to inline block, and font size we need to change to 1.8 rem, and padding from the right position we need to give as 1 rem. So what will happen, guys, it will change the display property. You can see that right now it is appearing right here at the left side. So now we need to change its background color so that we can see something. We can say here dot channel social links li last of type li. This is a pseudo class, so last of type. We need to give it a padding from the right position to 0. And also now we will be individually styling the icons here. So first of all, we will target the Google plus icon, and we will change the text color to this color, which is DD4 D40. This is the color here, red icon. You can now see red icon is there because Google Plus was having the red color icon whenever it was available. Twitter will be changing to blue. This color you can see 1DA 1F3. This is the color. So then we comes the Facebook, guys. Facebook again will be having blue color. Color will be 3B5 999. This is the color, somewhat dark color. Twitter has sky blue. And lastly we have the YouTube color. Oh, sorry, that's it. And now we will be styling the channel info, guys, which is div. We will be changing the background color to this white color. So now you can see that we need to put a padding from the top position 1.6 rem like this. So now we need to style the channel info, guys. Channel info container. We need to change the display property to flex and align items to center. So what will happen now? Basically, it will align the items in the center position. So now we need to target the channel icon, which is, you can see here, channel icon. So basically here we need to change the flex basis to 8 rem. We need to change the height to 8 rem. And again we need to make it round. Border radius we need to give it as 50%, so it will make it completely round here. You can now see, now it is having a round shape. Overflow we need to hide that, so it is now completely round here. You can see that, guys. So now we need to style the channel title. So channel title, so here we will change the flex property to 1 auto. We will change to margin to 0, 2 rem, like this. So you can see that. Now we will be styling the heading of the channel. So channel title h1. So here we will say font size to 2.4 rem. Font weight we will change to 400. And then we will change the color, which you can see here on the right hand side. We will change to black color. And white space we need to remove it. So we will say no wrap. You can now see. Now it is looking somewhat good. Again, we need to target the section here, channel title. And this time we need to target the I, the font. You can see this is the icon here. And here we need to change the font size to 1.4 rem. And here we need to change the color of it to this color, which is 6E, 6E, 6E. This is a color, somewhat brownish color. You can see that now it has got the verified icon. The next thing, guys, we need to do is that we need to change it to channel subscriber count. So now, guys, we need to have the subscriber count here. So again we need to change the font size to 1.4 rem. We need to change the font weight to 400. And next we need to change the line height, guys, line height. So we need to change the line height to 1.8. You can now see here. And then we need to change the text color to this gray color, which we have like this. So now you can see that it has changed to the subscriber. It is looking now good. And now basically we will target this subscribe button, channel subscribe. So here first of all we will change the display property to flex, so it will move to the right position. And font size we will change it to 1.4 rem. And font weight we will change it to 500. And background color we will change it to this color, which is EEE, white color. And we also need to give margin from the right position, which is 0.4 rem. You can now see how perfectly it is looking right now. So now we will be styling the notification button, guys, which is we will give it a width of 4 rem. And font size we will give it as 2 rem. That's it. So if you now see, guys, this is the node coding Shiksha. You can see it is almost complete here. It is looking really nice here. You can see that. So now we simply need to place it. So after this we will move to the next channel navigation section. So this completes this section, guys. So we will move to the next section, which is called as channel navigation. So this is the next section. So again we need to move to the index.html file. So now we will write the next section, which is channel navigation. So just you need to write comments, guys, because this comments help. You these comments later on will help you just identified which sections are there. So in HTML, of course, you need to write comments. So in large product projects, you have to have your comments. So navigation, we will have a class of channel nav. So inside this class, we will have a container class. Again, unordered list, li nav item. It will not go to anything. So basically, in the first item, we will have the current. We will give it a class of current. This will be home. The next section will be for videos, playlist, all that stuff. You can see this is home here. So next again, li nav item. This will not go to anything. Then it is videos. Nav item. Next section will be for guys, which will be for I think it is playlist. So if you see playlist, next will be for this will be for, I think it is community channels. Yeah, community uh, nav item. This is anchor tag, and this will be for channels. This is all the items that you see on the YouTube official website, guys, that we are building. Nav item. So then we will have the about section. That's it. So these are the 6 sections, guys: home, videos, playlist, community, channels, and about. So this ends our navigation section as well. You can see that navigation section is ending here. So now we need to style this. So right here we will move to the style.css. So after this, guys, channel subscribe, channel videos, yeah, channel. Basically, we need to move to the top. There are a lot of CSS to write, guys, so that's why I'm just confused. Subscribe button, yeah, this is a channel navigation. So now it is started, guys. So first of all, we will target channel nav. Background color we need to change uh, to this color, which is FA. This is background, so we need to add D here. You can see that. We also need to add padding from the bottom position, 0.5 rem. White space we need to give no wrap. Overflow X2 we need to have auto. You can see that. Then guys, we will have the channel nav UL, and here we will change the display to flex. So basically the display will be changing to flex, and then basically we will be targeting the anchor element, which is display, change to inline block. We will change the font size to 1.5 rem. Font weight, we will change the font weight to 500. We will transform the text to uppercase. So basically we will change to capital letters. We will remove the underline, which is text decoration, to none. And then we will change the color to this color, which is gray text. And we will give it a padding of 1.5 rem, 3.2 rem. So now you can see that. After that, guys, we will now target the current nav item, which is a.current. We need to change its color to black color. So now you can see that. After this, we also need to give it a border from the bottom position, 0.3 rem, solid, and this is a color which is 6E, 6E, 6E. This is a grayish color. You can see that. Now it is highlighted, the current home section. So whenever we hover on any of the nav items, guys, we need to attach a pseudo class which is a_hover. We need to change its text color to black text. So now basically whenever you hover onto any sort of, you can see the text color will change to black color. So next, guys, what we need to do, nav item a current, nav item a hover. So this completes our channel content. If you see, if I given this channel content, or container class, yeah, this is container class which is there. So this ends this section, guys. Also, this is the section for uh, you can see our section. This section is complete now. We will move to the next section here, which is all the source code is given in the video description, guys. You can go to the video description, and some of the comments, let me read it. सर मैं एक वीडियो ऑन एस एस टू कनेक्ट, मेरा नाम कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है, एक्सचेंज की एरर शो कर रहा है, कैन यू गिव मी रेडीमेड कोड, या इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द वीडियो इट इज़ देयर. हाई सर, विच पे आफ्टर जॉब प्रोग्राम इज गुड. Hey, what's up? Hi, sir. I'm studying in class 10th. I just want to become a software dev. So, which language is best for me? I will definitely recommend that JavaScript is the best language for currently web development. If you want to move inside this line, you need to go to JavaScript. Study JavaScript. And now, guys, this is ending this section here. Now we will move to the next section, which is channel content. So right here we will move to the next section, guys, which is channel content. So there's a lot of HTML, guys, that we need to write here. This is the main section now, channel content. So inside this is the channel main content. So inside this, guys, we need to write a main tag which will have the class of channel content. So inside this, guys, we will have a container class, a section which will hold the channel videos. So this will have this class channel videos. So inside this, guys, we will have a featured video as well, featured video, which you see, which is the most popular video of its YouTube channel, featured video. So inside this, we will have a class of video thumbnail, image source. So basically you can give any image of your choice, but I will give this. So now you can see this featured image is showing here. And after that, we have the video information. So inside this, we will have H3 which will have the video title, really cool blog, like this too. So you can now see there is this heading here. Basically you can have this video metadata which will tell you the information about the video. So basically it is having this number of views, it is uploaded 1 day ago, all this information, and a short little description, guys. So in the paragraph you can just put your own description. It is not mandatory that you copy paste this description. You can now see this and this section, guys, which is uh, this featured video. So featured video ends here, and then basically we have this playlist video. So basically I will copy paste some HTML, guys, so I don't need to write all this HTML. So basically I will just copy paste it. So this is for the playlist. If you have a playlist of videos, you can show here. You can see that various playlists are there. So we are fetching the images from Unsplash. You can use your own images as well. Let me format this. So then is collapse playlist. Let me have this and paste it here. So I'm not writing this static HTML, guys. It will take a lot of time for me to write this. So you can now see I will just style this using the CSS. Just show you how to style this. So basically this completes this section. So now we will move to the style.css to style this. So if you're watching it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well, and hit the notification bell icon. So basically we have this channel navigation. Channel navigation is also complete. We need to move to the CSS part. This is now the channel content, guys. So channel content CSS coming up. So just notice how I write it. So channel content, inside this we have a container class. We first of all need to change the display property to flex. So what will happen now? It will move all these padding from the top position 2.4 rem, padding from the bottom position 2.4 rem. We need to change the color to gray text. You can see that. And then basically we will now target the channel videos. We need to change the display to flex. Flex direction is column. So we need to show some videos in a column wise. Minimum width we will give as 42.5 rem, and maximum width we need to give it as 107 rem. You can see that. And then basically we will target the video title. So here you will change the color of this video title to black text. So black color. After this we will target the video metadata, video description, font size we will increase it to 1.7, 1.3 rem, font weight to 400. So you can see that it has increased it. So now we will target the video description. Max width we will change it to 60 rem. Line height we will change it to 1.4. And then basically we will now target video metadata li tag. We will change the display to inline block, and video creator, and let me paste it. So what will happen now, you can now see it is looking somewhat good here. It is having this gray color attached to it every video, this description, stats here, you will see that. Now basically we will target this featured video and we will style it. So basically what we need to do is that, so now we will style this featured video, which is featured video. So featured video, we will style it, guys. So we will change the display property to flex, and cursor we'll need to change it to pointer. So now guys, it will see here, it will move to the, this text will move to the right direction. This text, title, channel name, this description. So this is a advantage of using flex. After this, we will now have featured video info. We will put flex to 1. So now you can see that. Also featured video thumbnail. We will also target the video thumbnail. Margin right, we need to put here 1.5 rem. So you can see that now it has some space as well. And then again guys, we will be targeting again featured video title. We need to change the font size to 1.8 rem. Font weight, we need to change it to 400. So now you can see that. So now we will be targeting our playlist section, guys, which is this one. We will change the position to relative. We will give padding from the bottom position to 1 rem. Overflow X, we will change it to auto. Margin top, we will change it to 2 rem. So if you now see here, this playlist will be there like this. Now basically we will have the playlist title class. So inside this, guys, we need to give here font size 1.6 rem. Font weight we need to change to 500. Position we need to sticky position we need to give left is equal to 0. We need to give border from the top position as 0.1 rem. Solid, and then the color is EEE. So now you can see that next we will giving a padding here of 2 rem 0, and color we will change it to this color, which is black text. So you can see that. And also in the playlist videos section, guys, playlist videos, we will change the display to flex. So this will move these videos right here like this. So this is the one property that we need to change, guys. So this will be appearing side by side here. You can see that from one property, which is display to flex, we have changed like this. So this is a power of flex layout, guys, which allows you to do this. So after this, now we will now have playlist video. Each video we will target flex spaces, we will give here 21 rem. margin right 0.5 rem, and cursor we will change it to pointer. So now you can see that it has got some space as well. So after this guys, what we need to do is that we need to have playlist video, and inside this we have got the video title. So font size we need to have 1.5 1.4 rem. Font weight we need to give it as 500, and padding we need to give it as 0.5 rem 0. So now what will happen, you will see here it will have some padding here, and nice font effect is also there. And after this we have playlist video, video creator, uh, put a dot here, this is a class, so we need to have change it the display property to block. So now you can see that. So now this playlist also is completed guys. Now we need to have a sidebar where will be showing the related channels of the video of the channels, related sections in which appears in the sidebar. So this is the end of this. So basically now we will write the CSS for recommended channels. So now we need to move to the index.html guys. So 30 people are watching the stream guys. Please hit the like button. I see not all people are liking the stream. Please hit the like button as well, and subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell icon. So this is a section here. You can see that recommended section. Recommended channels. So inside this section guys, we will have a section here which will have a class of recommended channels. So inside this we will again have a div which will have this class recommended channels group, and h2 we will have this class which is recommended channels heading. So this is featured channels. So here you will now see a featured channels here, right here at the bottom. So after this guys, we will have a list of channels which will be there inside this class. So let me see. Yeah, this is the class guys. You can see recommended channel. Recommended channel. So you can have as many channels as you want guys. It is totally up to you. Uh, Basically you can see that recommended channels are there. So you can have as many channels as you want. So I will just paste it here. So now you will see these will be the list of channels here, which is this one has its own icon text. You can change all this accordingly. And then after this, we will have a group here, which will be recommended channels group. So we just need to paste it here. This is just static HTML guys. That's why I'm not writing it line by line, but I will explain you the CSS. So format document. So that's complete our CSS for this application or for this channel layout. Now we will move to the CSS part. So this is a lot of HTML guys that we have written here. So still we need to write a lot of CSS. So just keep watching this live stream. So here This is recommended channels. So here guys, first of all, what we need to do is that recommended channels. So here we need to give margin from the left position to rem, and the heading of recommended channels heading, we need to change the font size to 1.4 rem, and we also need to give a font weight to 500. We will change the up to uppercase to capital characters, and we will change the color of it to gray text, and we will give it a margin from the bottom position to rem. So basically this is a featured channels. Here you can see here this is changed to all the, you can see that. So now we need to move these featured channels at the sidebar. How to do this guys? Using Flexbox, it is very easy, and also CSS grid. So first of all, yeah, recommended channels group first of type. This is a selector. We need to give it a margin bottom to rem, and border from the bottom position guys, we will say 0.1 rem solid EEE. So just refresh and see what change had is made. You can see you can have the related channels as well and featured channels as well. And now the most important thing guys, which is the property, which is display flex. So when I do this property guys, you will now see there it will move into basically in the sidebar, display to flex. Boom, now it will move in the sidebar. You will now see subscribed. Flex wrap to wrap. Align the items in the center. Padding from the bottom position we need to give 2 rem. Cursor we need to change it to pointer, and recommended channel icon, we need to give it the width of 2.4 rem. We need to change the height to 2.4 rem. Border radius, we need to change the border radius to 50% to make it fully round. Overflow will be hidden, and margin right will be 0.8 rem. So what it will do is that guys, it will see, it will make it as round position like this. And now basically we will target the title. So we will change the flex to 50%. So font size we will change to 1.4. Font size 1.4 rem. Font weight we will change it to 500, and the color we will change to black text. So if you see here, so now it has got some space. So after this guys, we will now target the subscribe button. So recommended channel, subscribe. So font size, we will change the font size to 1.4 rem. We will change the font weight to 500, and the color we will change it to gray text, and the background color we will change it to this color here, white color. Width I will change to 10 rem. Height I will change to 2.4 rem, and margin from the top I will change it to 0.8 rem. So now if you see here, it has got some border as well. So now guys, we will now write the CSS grid here. So basically only if the uh, browser support this CSS grid, then only it will apply. So basically let me copy paste all this stuff here beforehand. All the source code is given guys in the description of the live stream, so simply copy paste it. So now you can see that guys, this is the we have done like this. So now we need to apply the CSS grid. So this is necessary for fine tuning the this app here. All the necessary things are styled properly, but few of the things are remaining here. We need to push this inside the sidebar. For that we need to use the CSS sidebar, sorry, CSS grid. So for using this guys, we need to write the CSS grid here. So in order to write CSS grid guys, we will write here supports flag, and here you will change display to grid, and like this. Basically you will change the body to display grid, and the grid template we will provide grid template rows 5.6 rem 16 view w, and we need to repeat 3 times 3 auto. So now guys, you will now see it is looking quite good now. It is showing it properly here. This is the power of CSS grid here. And after this we will also style this masthead section. Also need to change it to display grid, grid template columns. This time this will be auto 15 rem 1 fr 16 rem, grid column gap, this needs to be 2.5 rem. If you now see here, so it is looking quite good here. So same we need to apply for the site search as well. If you copy it, and same for the user menu and channel info container, if you just apply this. So now you can see that. So after this guys, what we need to do is that we need to put channel content and channel subscribe as well. Support this. If you now put it guys, now this will shift here. You will see here. And refresh it. Featured video, channel videos. So this is a CSS grid here guys. Let me paste it here and explain you. So we are also applying some media queries as well guys. So you can now see this is now having the scroll bar here, vertical scroll bar, which allows you to scroll your videos which are not seen here, like this. If you see here guys, so mm, this is the overall HTML. I think I made a mistake in writing the HTML. Let me copy paste it once again. Sometimes it can happen guys when you're writing it step by step, so that's why I am seeing some kind of error. If you now refresh it, you will now see there is this layout is looking good. So you just need to go to the description of the live stream and copy paste all the source code. That can happen whenever you live stream, and just type the code step by step. This can happen. So this is a layout, guys, we have constructed here using CSS grid and Flexbox. Hopefully you will like it, guys. You will see this has taken a lot of time, but still we have developed a quite a good clone. If you are really looking forward to build a YouTube clone, then this interface might be really important. You don't need to build it from scratch. You can use it like this and then connect it to a database. When the user will click on this upload button, you will allow the user to upload the video. You will get the notification. It's like this channel account icon. You will display all the videos coming from the database like this here instead of these static videos. These are the related channels which will be coming from the database. So all the cool features you can do if you want to build a YouTube clone, guys. This is the interface that I have shown, guys. You, if any sort of questions coming here. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Bro, still jQuery is using or not? If learn jQuery is, yeah, in this project I'm not using jQuery, but you need to learn jQuery. It's a very evolving framework. And it is the best part about JavaScript. You must learn jQuery. jQuery is the future. Alongside learning React.js, Vue.js, Angular, you must learn jQuery as well. And guys, I have just seen that you haven't liked the video, like this live stream. So what is the problem of just hitting a simple button, which is given in the description, oh sorry, in the bottom of the video. So right here you will see this button. So simply click it. If you haven't clicked it, this will increase the reach of this video, reach of this live stream. So simply click it. If you haven't clicked it, simply click like this and increase up to 20 likes. The target is 20 likes, guys. Please hit this like button if you haven't liked this. So I will be really happy if you like this stream. I have put a lot of hard work, and if I see the stream is reaching 20 likes, I will be happy. So please hit this like button. So if you have any sort of questions, guys, you can ask in the comment section. 17 people are watching the stream, guys. If you have any sort of questions, you can ask in the comment section. I will love to reply to your questions. So just hit this like button which is there, guys. Share this live stream as well using this button with your friends, and also some of the comments. Keep going, bro. You are the best. Teaching people is really hard stuff. Yeah, you are correct in that sense. Teaching people is a really hard job, and especially when people appreciate your work. This is so much good to see that comments really matter to me because I read the comments, and whenever people appreciate the work, it feels really good that you put the work, you put at the hard work, and people are appreciating your work. So that's feels so nice to you as a developer, as a teacher, anything else. So whenever you are doing something for the people and people appreciate you back, so that feels a lot of hard work which is done. So already, guys, this is the highest watch live stream up till now on my channel. You guys have really supported this, and I never expected that much watching to come for this live stream, but still you guys supported it. And I think you guys like the designing part more than the development part, because in the development part videos no live stream watching comes, but in designing part, whenever I design some kind of a clone, the live watching goes up like this. So I got an idea that these live streams will be doing good. You can see how insane is the watching here. You can see real time. Let me show you. You can now see the real time. How much is the real time? YouTube is insanely suggesting my live stream here. You can see here. If I go to the analytics part here, this is so insane. This is 79% coming from suggested video. Browse feature 20%. So if you want to succeed on YouTube, guys, try to replicate the stuff which is liked by your public, and then YouTube will insanely promote you by using your suggested video browse feature. This is the real stuff to crack YouTube, and I have got this idea by starting these live streams, doing the coding live. So that makes people happy. So I think that will be good for my channel as well. If you want to ask some questions, guys, you can ask in the comment section. I'll also hit the like button, guys, which is below the video. Just only 12 likes are there. What is this? What is this? Please hit this like button to increase the likes up to 20. If you truly like the content, guys, if you truly like this live stream, please hit this like button. And also you can ask some questions in the live stream, guys, if you really want to ask questions related to blogging, programming, AdSense, Ezoic, anything you can ask. This is a live traffic on my website here. You will see that. 'If you have any sort of questions, guys, you can ask in the comment section. I see 11 people still watching it. So if you are a subscriber or a random people, please hit this like button. Right. 15 people are watching the stream, guys. Please hit this like button, which is below the video. And if you like this content, in this video, we have built a YouTube clone, YouTube channel layout, where you see we go to a different channel in YouTube. You see different fields out there. So we have built using Flexbox and CSS Grid. So all the source code is given in the description of this live stream. So just go to it and download all the source code. And please hit the like button as well. 14 likes are there. So ask your questions. I will reply to your questions. So 12 people are watching the stream, guys. Any questions out there if you want to ask here? Please ask your questions. If you are, I think you are coming from suggested videos. This is a new channel about programming. I upload programming videos, and basically this is a live stream I done using about YouTube clone channel layout using CSS Grid and Flexbox. If you have any sort of questions related to blogging and programming, you can ask in the comment section. Vivek is saying that, sir, teaching something about how to use Instagram API and make full something out of it. Yeah, Vivek, I have built various videos on my channel. If you just type your Instagram space coding Shiksha, many videos will come. I have used the Instagram API as well as some scraping as well. And also in the future, I will use the Instagram display API, which is the new API which is introduced by Instagram. So definitely I will make the video on that also. So don't worry about it. But in the meantime, you can search on YouTube, Instagram/coding Shiksha, and many videos will come in Python, JavaScript, all that stuff. So any more question that you want to ask? Vivek, where are you from, Vivek? I see that you are new to a channel. If you are coming to suggested videos or you are a subscriber. Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So no, I am new here, but now I am a subscriber. Thank you very much, Vivek. And also hit the like button if Vivek, if you haven't hit the like button. Please hit the like button, guys. If you are new to the channel, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel as well. And Vivek, how you explored this live stream? Have you come from suggested video? I think YouTube is suggesting my videos and suggested videos. Have you come from the suggested videos? In this stream has gone in a linear fashion. Many people are coming insane. YouTube is viral. This is viral stuff. Automatically, suddenly, YouTube is going in this direction. So it is so good to see new people joining, and so I just want to clarify that Anaf is saying, hello, how are you doing? I'm pretty fine, Anaf. I'm just doing this live stream. People are coming thick and fast because you can see the live watching as well. This 942 views just in the last 1 hour. So YouTube is suggesting my videos at a very viral rate. So that becomes really good for the channel, Coding Shiksha. So I got the feel of the topics, which topics is viral stuff. So basically, I will be making these in the future as well. So these topics are very much good. If you type here YouTube clone, Google Drive clone, Instagram clone, Facebook clone. So these are enticing topics. People want to click on this because these are very special apps, WhatsApp, all these viral apps such as. So that's why people say that on YouTube only the clickbait stuff works. Clickbait doesn't mean that you inside the video you show something else, but clickbait something means that you need to make videos on popular things such as social media networks clone. That is how to crack a job interview, how to enter at Google for a job interview, something like that, which is something enticing, not boring itself. So I think I got this formula. Related to blogging, have you ever sold any website? No, I haven't. In the future as well, I don't want to sold my website, so it takes a lot of hard work to build a website. So why sold it? Actually, I was looking for Instagram API related video, and I thankfully found your YouTube API related video. Yeah, very much appreciated, Vivek. And if you now found out my channel, please watch all my videos. It's very good. My voice is also being. I'm speaking for too long here, almost 1 hour. It is feeling so tired. But anyone wanted to get into this field, guys, YouTube is very tough because you need to constantly make videos, constantly do live streams. But when it is successful, then it's pretty much very much good to see the traffic coming, because once the traffic starts to come, then it will not stop. If you have any more questions, guys, you can ask in the comment section. What's your opinion about Google's helpful content update rolled in 25th August? Yeah, yesterday that update was rolled about. I also did a live session, but I don't think so. I had a negative impact on my website, and the traffic is, as you can see on your screen, it is reversely increased. So I have a positive impact of Google helpful content update, and I don't think that the traffic will go down anytime soon. And you can also see that all the traffic is coming. It is all the organic traffic. You can see all the 18 visitors are coming through Google search, one from YouTube, and all the articles are ranking here. So there is no problem related to Google helpful content update, but it will take a whole week to roll out. So we need to wait for a whole 7 days to see here. You can see in the last 7 days, it is 9% increase in the traffic. So nicely, it is looking really good. And I'm hoping for the best that it doesn't have a negative impact. So just fingers crossed, just waiting for the 7 days to complete, and then we will make your opinion about whether it is successful or not. The revenue also, you can see the Google AdSense revenue, Ezoic revenue, it is all increasing. It's a positive sign for the website, but Google is just a system. Google is programmed as a system, so you can't tell at which moment of time your website traffic will be down. So you need to be, so you can see the Ezoic revenue also increasing here. This is the EPM. So we have completed 1,000 views here inside this live stream, guys. You can see only 14 likes are there. 16 people are watching it. Why you guys are not liking the stream, guys? Please hit the like button here. Only 14 likes are there. Increase it to 20 likes. The target is 20, guys. So please increase it to 20. Like, share, and subscribe. Target likes 20. So just make it to 20 likes, guys. So if you're watching it, just below the video, there is a button out there. Just click this button. Yeah, finger crossed. I'm also, yeah, everyone is keeping an eye on their websites because you can't tell Google what they can be doing in the next update. So we have no control over Google. Google is an autonomous body and there is no competition. So it's a Google monopoly will be there. So we need to solve down our heads. So in